So keep in mind that you cannot really change the base of the grid lines or the guidelines that Wix has provided for you. But what we can do is to hide the line right here and then add a new custom line. So this broken line or dotted line is the recommended area to place any of your elements or content. So when you put some elements outside these base grid lines, this broken line here, those contents might not be able to be seen by some devices like a smartphone, or if you access it through iPad, tablet, and others. So you want to put all of your elements to be inside of these grid lines that Wix recommended for you. And then to change the grid lines, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on these tools. And then on the tools, you want to uncheck these grid lines. And there you go. The base grid line was gone. And then you want to do a check mark on rulers. After that, you can just click right here on the rulers randomly to make your own grid lines or guidelines. So either you want to make it bigger or smaller from the base grid line. You can also place it at the middle or anywhere around the rulers. And then to delete it, you can just hover over the grid lines, just click on it, and then click right here on this delete icon. You can also do it on sideways to make a brand new grid lines. And there you go. So every time you want to do it, you can go to tools, and then you want to uncheck on grid lines, and then check on rulers. And that's how to change grid lines or guidelines on Wix. If you have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will do my best to assist and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.